Nature, the gentlest mother is, by Emily Dickinson. Nature, the gentlest mother is, impatient of no child, the feeblest or the waywardest, her admonition mild. In forest and the hill, by traveller be heard, restraining rampant squirrel, or to impetuous bird. How fair her conversation a summer afternoon, her household, her assembly, and when the sun go down, her voice among the ales, incite the timid prayer of the minutest cricket, the most unworthy flower. When all the children sleep, she turns as long away as will suffice to light her lamps, then bending from the sky, with infinite affection and infiniter care, her golden finger on her lip wills silence everywhere.